Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to add Afterpay or Klarna to Wix website. So for this, you need to go to settings option here and then go to accept payments. From here on the top right side, you will find the business location option. So from here, make sure to choose the location where you are. So I will go with US. And now here we have see more payment options, click on it, and there you will find multiple apps. There we have Afterpay, and then you will find Klarna. So you can click on connect, and from there just sign into your account, and then all these apps will be connected with Wix account. So in this way you can add Klarna and and Afterpay in Wix website. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.